In today's world, data is the most important things in our device. Sometimes we mistakenly delete, format, or lost it. In some very bad situation, system crashed. Then you may feel helpless. But don't worry, today we will see how to recover videos, photos, and data from external drive, internal storage, SD card, or any devices in simple 3 steps. We can recover any data like photos, videos, music, email, office documents by using Tenorshare for DDIG. Before going to next process, please like and subscribe my channel.
I am deleting some videos, photos, files from my external flash drive and making bin emptied.
Thankfully, we have for DDIG. From this software, we can recover everything you lost and recover from any Mac-based device. And it is 100% secure with 3 simple steps to recover data. Good thing is that you don't need any tech knowledge to recover it. It is very easy and simple 3 steps.
It is also very fast to scan and recover your lost file. By clicking this button, you can download it free. And it is also available in Windows in case you need it. You can recover your data in any situation like accidentally deleted and emptied trashed, update failure, system crash, disk damage, partition loss, CPU failure, broken screen, virus attack, and even from formatted disks. It can recover any types of files, photos, videos, audio, email, documents, or any types of file.
And also good thing is that it is also supported macOS Yosemite to latest macOS Monterey and any kinds of supported device with APFS, HFS Plus, FAT32 and exFAT file system. Let's see how to recover deleted photos videos using Tenorshare for DDIG. Here is the free download option by clicking this button. Double click to download file and drag for DDIG apps to application. Now open it from application. Click open if you got this type of notification. Type your password and hit OK.
At this point, installation is successfully done.
Now from this for DDIG window, you have to select the location from where you want to recover data. Like if you lost data from your internal drive, you have to select internal drive. And if you lost your data from external drive, then select the external drive. Or any other devices like USB, SD card, you can select external drive and also select it if your system is crashed and you want to recover from there. In my cases, I have lost data from external drive. So select external drive, then click scan. In scanning window, you can see tree view and file view. From tree view, you can see your lost data in tree view, like folder, location, it's like that. From file view, you can see data on file types like photos, videos, audios, and documents. If you see your data from the list, then you can pause or stop the scanning and check to required file, then recover it. And select the location where you want to save your data. And make sure you are not saving your recovered data to partition where you lost them. It can cause permanent data loss. Now select destination, click open. You can see the recovering process is begun. Recover all those required files now. Another one thing, if you do not see your file in the list, then try using DeepScan. So we can see how we can easily recover the deleted or lost data using Tenorshare for DDIG. I have given the links to download Tenorshare for DDIG on video description. Hope it is help you. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.